Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. We're gonna make some Christmas cookies today. We're gonna do the old traditional thumbprint cookies. You won't see me baking cookies very often. I really don't care for baking, but at Christmas time, I like certain Christmas cookies and I only like them the way my mom makes it, so I'm gonna do it. For the batter, we're going to start with, I've got a cup of CRISCO and a half a cup of light brown sugar. We're going to mix those. And I'm going to beat with a mixer. Unfortunately, I don't have my stand-up mixer, so we're going to try this hand mixer and hope we don't burn the motor out. So this is kind of fluffy. To it, we're going to add 3 egg yolks only. I've separated the whites. I've got 2 tablespoons of water. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1.5 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Okay, that's mixed in good. Here I have 2 cups of flour, and I'm going to slowly mix this in to the batter. Okay, we got the batter all smooth, and I put it in a little smaller container. I'm taking the 3 egg whites that were left over. I'm going to whisk these up till it's a kind of a little bit of a foamy. Then what we'll do is roll little balls, dip them in the egg white, roll them in the chopped walnuts, put them on the cookie sheet, push a little thumbprint in them, and bake them. Okay, so I've got the egg whites beaten where it's a little bit foamy. Now what we're going to do is, for the first one, I'm going to use a measuring spoon. I got about a tablespoon, just to get it, see how big that is. That looks awful big.
Too big.
I'm going to do a half a tablespoon. I'm going to get an assembly line going, dip it in there, roll it, cookie sheet, and then we'll put a little thumbprint in there. So we'll do that till we run out of dough. Okay, so we got our first tray filled. We had a little assembly line going here, which worked good because I'm right-handed, Catherine's left-handed, so we could get on each side of the island and get it done. So we're gonna, every time I bake cookies, I always use parchment paper. It works so much better, things don't stick to the pan. And so we're gonna put this in a 350-degree preheated oven. For 10 minutes, and we'll take it out and see what it looks like. So I actually let these bake. It's been about 13 minutes. And you can see the importance of making uniform balls.
Smells good.
I have a tendency to roll the balls too big, so my cookies are too big. Next pan, I'll try to make them a little smaller. So what you want to do here is to kind of reinforce that thumbprint. Only thing we have left to do is to let it cool off a little bit. And then we're gonna take your choice of preserves or jelly jam. Apricots, like my favorite Christmas fruit, and Catherine likes strawberry. So when these cool off a little bit more, we'll just stick a little teaspoon of jelly, and there's your thumbprint. When we finish everything, we'll put them on a plate and show you all a display of everything and taste test. And Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
So we finished all the cookies. The second batch actually came out much better. Smaller balls, and these are more the size of cookies that you want. There should be about 4 dozen in each batch if you do them smaller. As you can tell here, we got out of control on some of the larger ones. But so I want to eat one of these, the big ones.
That's mine. You can try. It's good. I love this. It's not sweet, but it's very good.
That's what's good about these, is the dough's not that sweet. So you can make the cookie as sweet as you want by putting a little bit of jelly in, or a lot of jelly. If you're diabetic, you can put in sugar-free jelly. Ideally for Christmas, you would want red and green jelly. I don't know, I guess they have a green apple jelly you could put in there. I don't know if I'd want to try jalapeno jelly or mint jelly in there, but who knows, maybe jalapeno jelly might be good. So there you have it, 4 dozen cookies. If you like these, like this video, give me a thumbs up. Merry Christmas, and please subscribe to Ed Foodie. Thank you.